What if I told you, your coffee maker knows more about science than most people in the room right now? That simple machine on your counter isn't just heating water. It's controlling pressure, temperature, timing, and extraction like a miniature laboratory. But here's the real question. Why does coffee from the same machine sometimes taste amazing, and other times taste like disappointment in a mug? Today, we're cracking it open. Literally and scientifically. Welcome to Inside a Coffee Maker, reverse engineering the perfect brew. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your morning coffee the same way again. Whether you use a drip coffee maker, espresso machine, or single-serve pod system, they all follow one goal: extract the perfect flavor from coffee grounds using heat and water. But perfection doesn't happen by accident. It's controlled by four critical factors: temperature, water flow, brew time, pressure. Mess up just one, and your coffee suffers. So, let's open this machine up and follow the journey from cold water to liquid gold. Inside your coffee maker sits a small water reservoir, innocent looking, right? But once you press brew, something powerful happens. The water gets pulled into a narrow aluminum heating tube. This tube contains a heating element that rapidly raises the water temperature to around 195 degrees Fahrenheit to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, the sweet spot for coffee extraction. Too hot? The coffee becomes bitter. Too cold? You get weak, sour sadness. As the water heats, it creates pressure, forcing hot water upward through a one-way valve, a surprisingly simple yet brilliant system. No pump needed in basic drip machines. Just physics at work. Now the hot water reaches something most people never notice: the shower head. This part distributes water evenly over your coffee grounds. If water hits only one spot, you get uneven extraction. Some grounds over-extracted, bitter. Others under-extracted, weak. That's why premium coffee makers are designed with multi-hole shower systems. They mimic rainfall to maximize surface contact. The result? Balanced flavor. Rich aroma. No regrets. Let's talk grind size. This is where most home brewers go wrong. Too fine equals over-extraction equals bitterness. Too coarse equals under-extraction equals bland taste. Reverse engineering shows us something fascinating. The ideal grind size depends on brew type. Drip, medium grind, espresso, fine grind, French press. Coarse grind, the machine can only perform as well as the coffee you feed it. So yes, your coffee maker is smart, but you are the software update. Most drip machines aim for 4 to 6 minutes brew time. Why? Because this timing allows oils to release, acids to balance, sweet notes to develop. If brew time is rushed, the water doesn't fully extract flavor. If it's too long, flavor compounds break down. The perfect brew is really a dance between heat and time. And your coffee maker is choreographing it every morning. Here's a hidden secret: your filter changes your coffee flavor profile. Paper filters trap coffee oils, producing cleaner taste. Lighter body metal filters allow oils through, producing bolder flavor, fuller texture. Neither is better, just different. Your machine doesn't just brew coffee. It sculpts its personality. That warming plate underneath your pot? It's secretly ruining your coffee if left too long. Continuous heat leads to oxidation and burnt flavors. Reverse engineering tip: if you want cafe quality taste at home, transfer brewed coffee to a thermal flask instead. Instant upgrade. Here's how to outsmart your coffee maker and reach elite status. Use filtered water. Use freshly ground beans. Clean machine monthly. Measure coffee properly. 1-2 tablespoons per 6 ounces water. Preheat your mug. Store beans in airtight container. You're no longer just making coffee, you're engineering an experience. Now that you've seen what's really happening inside your coffee maker, imagine what's happening inside your blender, your air fryer, your charging cable, your headphones. If you love uncovering the hidden genius behind everyday machines, SMASH, that like button, subscribe for more reverse engineering breakdowns, and share this video with every coffee lover you know. Drop a comment below. How do you like your coffee? Strong or smooth? And remember, every machine has a story. We just decode it.